Wondering to delete your TikTok watch history from your iPhone? In this video, I will show you how you can remove your TikTok watch history with just one click. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, open TikTok app. Tap one profile icon. After that, tap on three lines. And now tap on settings and privacy. After that, tap on activity center. Here you can find the watch history. Tap on it. Now here are all your watched video. Now tap on select at the top of the right corner. After that, you can delete them one by one. And if you want to delete all, then simply tap on select all watch history. And now tap on delete. Again tap on delete. And your watch history will be deleted. So guys, that's how you can delete your TikTok watch history from your iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If it was, drop a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.